Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The true name of Ìkà Méjì in heaven. The name of Ìkà Méjì in heaven was Ìkèrè Ìyànsí. He was a very powerful Iwo in heaven who had many followers under his command. Among those followers were Èkpò-kẹ and Ènínúò-kẹ, who performed divination for Ìkèrè. In other words, it was the little oil and the little wick, who divined for the lamp when it was about to receive the reward of becoming a human being. They told the lamp to make Igbo, sacrifice, with a rooster and a hen, and the lamp did so. Afterward, it was given a human being as a slave to serve it eternally. This is the reason why, to this day, it is precisely a human being who refills the oil or rekindles a lamp when its flame is dying out. When the lamp is about to go out, people call a boy or a girl to rekindle it. If no one is nearby, the person will do it themselves in service to the lamp. Just as essential as food, air, and peace are for the body, these act on their own, yet it is only the lamp that must often be assisted by human beings. That is why, when Ìkà Méjì appears in a divination, the person is told to make a similar Igbo. If the client is a man, he is told that a woman will come to marry him of her own free will, and she will serve him with obedience and loyalty until the end of his days. If the client is a woman, she is told that she will find a new husband who will serve her like a slave, and will not consider marrying any other woman after her.